Okay, so I'm about to show you a little demo of how effective peel and seal really is. It's about the same thing as a Dynamat, but much cheaper and works just about the same as Dynamat. So, alright, let's see it. So what I've done is put Dynamat, peel and seal on the in the trunk, and here's the doors without the stuff. You can hear that clang noise, or it's not as solid. And this is with the peel and seal. Without, with. And let me just show you how the trunk closes. Alright, so it closes with a nice thud. You can see it, you can hear it now. So this is with. This is without. With. Without. So you can see it's pretty effective, and it's much cheaper than Dynamat. Alright.